Hello Velomobile fans, and welcome to the Velomobile Beginners series. I'm not going to really film these in any particular order, just whatever I happen to think of at the time. But in today's episode, we are going to talk about what I pack when I go riding. My goal when I go riding is first to have the things that I need to be comfortable, and second, to have the things that I need in the event I need to stop and repair something. So let's go through. I've pulled everything out so you can see what I have and where I put it. First, in the comfort category, I carry a coat with me right now. I just happen to have this one. It's not getting used for anything. Packs down nice and light. In addition, I have a hat with me. The hat actually I use when I'm commuting because, well, helmet here, right? Right. And then, moving on from that, just general supplies that I have along. I have this motorcycle cover. It's an extra large that I got off of Amazon. And I carry that so that if I'm parking someplace, I can cover it so it's not so visible. And of course I carry a water pouch. I have my cameras, and then the rest of the stuff is basically repair kit stuff, aside from this pouch where I put my wallet and keys and phone. So in my repair pouch, my goal is to have everything I could possibly need to do most repairs. And some of the parts I have with me are probably overkill, but I don't want to have to walk home, and I can't really call an Uber, and I don't have a friend to bail me out, so I carry some extra stuff. First aid kit, that's obviously not a repair thing, but I have a tire pump, have my GPS so that I can, tell how fast I'm going and where I'm going. I have a 20-inch inner tube. I have a 700C inner tube because the front wheels are 20-inch, back is 700C. I have the awesome tire glider. Saki made a video about this. It makes putting a tire back on the rim much easier. And I have normal tire levers because I've never been able to use this successfully as a tire lever. I also have a ratcheting wrench with 8, 10, 12, and 13 millimeter that can take those bolts, because it makes it much quicker and easier to work with the bolts. I also have an 8 and a 10 over here. In case something should happen to come loose, I can tighten that back down. I have gloves because the chain is very dirty. Actually, it's not very dirty, it's just very greasy. I also have a spoke key. This I don't normally carry, but I'm putting this in my kit because when I'm on vacation, I'll be riding a brand new bike, and just in case, I want to have that key with. Have some zip ties because zip ties fix everything duct tape can't. Some quick links in case I need to do something with the chain. I have a tire pressure gauge. This is because the tire pump does not have a gauge on it. I have my bike tool with all the different Allen keys. It has also a chain link removal tool on it that I've never actually tried to use. I carry my pocket knife because you never know when you need to cut something. And I happen to have still a spare brake cable. This I put in last summer because, well, 2 summers ago actually, when I was touring in Italy, because I had some steep passes to go down and I've just never taken it out. And then of course I have my battery. I have an energy bar that I keep in there just in case I get ravenously hungry. So everything here, all of the tool stuff, it goes in this pouch, and that way I don't have things flying all over inside the Velomobile. So as far as where I store things, back here I have a tarp. I put my coat back there. I keep hat back there, and I've got my, down here, I've got my first aid kit. On the right side of the seat is where I place my water pouch. I'm sure I could figure out a way to put it on the seat back, but it works just fine there on the floor. And then I put my camera and my pouch for my phone up there with some food. And then, of course, the GPS is mounted on the handlebar. My spares go back here. There is a little pouch here, a little shelf where I keep that. And I also put my toolkit back here along with the tire pump. And that is how I pack. Pretty simple. When I'm commuting, I also carry a pair of shoes with, and in the winter I'll take a heavier coat. Sometimes I bring a briefcase, and I've also shown in another video how I stick my trumpet in there for when I commute to lessons. And that's that. Do you think I missed anything? Are there any things that you bring with when you commute? Or are there any questions you have about preparing for a bike ride? Let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye!